It's me. Keeps raining on the lens here. It's Friday, June 14th. My new clutch that I purchased from Classic Auto Reproductions. And they're located not far from Minneapolis here in a little town called North Branch, Minnesota. I want you to know that I am not taking any money. I do not work for them. There's no monetization at all. I just thought I'd at the end of the film provide you with a link to their website in case you're interested in doing the same job that I'm doing here. Boy, looks nice. And I just picked up my flywheel, which I had resurfaced and machined for this new clutch. I gotta try to get it off of here now. Whoops, there we go. And they not only did they drill it all out for all 9 holes, they completely rebalanced the whole thing, and they actually put the clutch on and balanced the clutch on there also. So this only fits on one way. You can see a whole dimple here on the clutch and a dimple on the flywheel. That's where it goes. And that work was done by TSAR Engineering Racing Engines, located in Long Lake, Minnesota, which also isn't very far from here. And I'm also not receiving any monetization or money or trade in kind or anything like that from them. They did such a fine job, and I thought I'd provide a link to their website also in case you're looking to have this done. They now have done this one, and so they're all set up to do yours if you need it done. The reason why we're doing this, cleaning these threads out, is because there's old Loctite in there, and there's junk and dirt, and we'll clean these things out and put in brand new bolts, and we'll torque them to the right level, and we'll know we have it just perfect. Well, that was about 15-20 minutes of messing around. We got it though. Okay. Flywheel. Brand new bolts.